Anura Magic Mirror. The Anura Magic Mirror is a smart and stylish mirror that does much more than just show your reflection. It's designed to make your daily routine easier and more convenient by combining modern technology with a sleek, elegant design. This mirror can display useful information like the time, weather, calendar events, and notifications, so you can stay organized while getting ready for your day. Some models even have touch controls or voice commands, allowing you to interact with it easily and control other smart devices like lights, music, or home appliances right from the mirror. Its clear, bright display ensures everything is easy to see, and its premium design fits perfectly in bathrooms, bedrooms, or offices, adding a touch of modern style to any space. The Anura Magic Mirror is perfect for busy professionals, tech enthusiasts, or anyone who wants to make everyday tasks more efficient and enjoyable. It helps you save time, stay informed, and keep your routine organized while adding a futuristic, high-tech feel to your home. Auto Home Airtop. The Auto Home Airtop is a super easy and comfortable rooftop tent designed to make camping simple and fun. Instead of spending time setting up a regular tent, this one opens in just a few seconds. Just unlock it, give it a push, and it automatically pops up into a cozy sleeping space. It sits on top of your car in a strong, compact shell that protects it from wind, rain, and dust while you're driving. When opened, it feels like a small, comfortable room with a soft built-in mattress, breathable fabric, and windows for fresh air and great views. The materials are weatherproof, keeping you cool in summer and warm in cold weather, so you can enjoy camping anytime. The tent also has proper ventilation, so the inside stays dry and comfortable all night. Getting in and out is easy with the sturdy ladder, and packing it away is simple. Just close the shell and it locks neatly on your roof. Whether you love road trips, off-road adventures, or quick weekend escapes, the Auto Home Airtop gives you a comfortable place to sleep wherever you stop. Devos Outdoor Projector. The Devos Outdoor Projector is a compact and powerful device that makes watching movies, sports, or playing games outside fun and easy. It can turn any backyard, camping spot, or open space into a personal theater in minutes. With bright and clear visuals, it works well even in low daylight, so you can enjoy your favorite shows anytime. This projector is very versatile. It can connect to smartphones, laptops, streaming devices, and gaming consoles, giving you plenty of options for entertainment. Its built-in speakers provide good sound, and you can also connect external speakers for an even better audio experience. The projector is lightweight, portable, and simple to set up, needing only a flat surface or screen to start projecting instantly. Its durable design makes it perfect for outdoor use, while the easy-to-use controls let anyone operate it without hassle. DLR Solar Tower. The DLR Solar Tower is a modern and powerful solar energy system that produces clean, renewable electricity efficiently. Unlike regular solar panels, it uses a field of mirrors called heliostats that focus sunlight onto a central receiver at the top of the tower. This concentrated sunlight creates intense heat, which is then converted into electricity. Because of this design, the solar tower can generate large amounts of energy, making it ideal for powering cities, factories, or other large-scale needs while reducing dependence on fossil fuels. The tower is built to handle extreme weather and still work efficiently throughout the day. Its smart tracking system automatically follows the sun, ensuring maximum energy capture at all times. Dragon V1. The Dragon V1 is a stylish and futuristic vehicle designed to give you a smooth, fast, and exciting ride. Its sharp, dragon-inspired design makes it stand out instantly, with glowing accents and a bold shape that feels straight out of a sci-fi world. Made from lightweight but strong materials, it moves quickly and handles every turn with ease, making it great for daily travel or fun weekend rides. The Dragon V1 uses an advanced electric system that gives you quick acceleration without making noise, so your rides feel powerful yet peaceful. It also helps protect the environment by producing zero emissions. The vehicle includes smart features like a digital display, responsive brakes, and a comfortable suspension system that keeps the ride stable even on rough roads. Inside, the seating is soft and supportive, perfect for long trips without getting tired. Everything is designed to make riding safe, smooth, and enjoyable. Whether you love modern gadgets, unique designs, or fast electric rides, the Dragon V1 gives you the perfect mix of style, performance, and comfort. It shows how future transportation can be both exciting and easy to use, making every journey feel fun and modern. EHang's Air Taxi. EHang's Air Taxi is an amazing electric aircraft designed to change the way we travel in cities. It can carry passengers safely and quickly above busy roads, offering a futuristic alternative to cars, buses, or taxis. The vehicle is fully electric, which means it produces zero emissions and helps reduce pollution, making it eco-friendly and perfect for modern cities. What makes it even more impressive is its self-flying technology. Using advanced sensors and AI, the Air Taxi can navigate on its own, avoid obstacles, and give passengers a smooth and reliable ride without needing a pilot. Inside, the cabin is comfortable and quiet, with simple controls that anyone can use easily. It's ideal for short city trips, airport transfers, or even sightseeing, letting people reach their destinations faster and without traffic stress. Built with safety in mind, the aircraft has strong construction and backup systems to handle different situations. ES 30 Watt. The ES 30 Watts is a small, portable, and powerful solar panel that makes it easy to stay powered up anywhere. Ideal for camping, hiking, road trips, or emergencies, it turns sunlight into electricity, so you can charge devices like phones, tablets, cameras, or even small appliances. Despite its compact size, it delivers a strong 30-watt output, giving you reliable energy quickly and efficiently. The panel is lightweight, foldable, and easy to carry, so it won't take up much space in your backpack or gear bag. It's built to last, with a durable design that can handle rain, dust, and rough outdoor conditions without damage. Using it is simple. Just unfold the panel, place it in the sun, and plug in your devices. There's no complicated setup, making it perfect for beginners and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Whether you're exploring remote areas, going off-grid, or simply need a portable power source, the ES 30 Watt ensures you never run out of battery. FlexTail Gear Tiny Pump X. The FlexTail Gear Tiny Pump X is a small, lightweight, and super useful gadget that makes outdoor trips much easier. Even though it's small enough to fit in your pocket, it can quickly inflate air mattresses, sleeping pads, pool toys, and other inflatable gear within seconds. Instead of using your mouth or a manual pump, this tiny device saves your time and energy. It also works as a fast deflator, helping you pack your things quickly when you're ready to go home. The pump has a strong rechargeable battery that lasts for many uses, making it perfect for camping, hiking, beach trips, and even home use. One of its best features is the built-in LED light, which turns it into a handy mini flashlight for nighttime tasks. The Tiny Pump X comes with multiple nozzles that fit different types of inflatables, so you can use it for almost anything. Its simple one-button design makes it very easy to operate, even for beginners. Because it's so compact and portable, you can throw it in your backpack without worrying about space. Overall, the FlexTail Gear Tiny Pump X is all about convenience, speed, and making your outdoor adventures more comfortable and hassle-free. Fulling Way. The Fulling Way is a smart and versatile tool that makes outdoor adventures, travel, and everyday tasks much easier. Instead of carrying multiple tools, this one device combines several useful functions in a compact and portable design. It's made from strong, durable materials, so it can handle tough conditions, heavy use, and outdoor challenges without breaking. The tool is lightweight and easy to carry, fitting perfectly in a backpack, car, or toolbox. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort and ease of use, whether you're lifting, pulling, securing, or adjusting items. This makes it great for camping, hiking, off-roading, or even small jobs at home. The Fulling Way is designed to save time and effort, helping you finish tasks faster and more efficiently. It's also beginner-friendly, so anyone can use it without any hassle. With this tool, you don't just get convenience, you also get safety, strength, and reliability in one simple device. Whether you're exploring the outdoors, traveling, or handling everyday chores, the Fulling Way is built to make your life easier and more efficient. It's a perfect combination of practical design and smart functionality for every situation. HipNap True Rest. The HipNap True Rest is a smart and comfortable sleep system designed to give you a better night's rest anytime, anywhere. Whether you're at home, traveling, or camping, it provides a cozy and supportive place to sleep. Made from high-quality materials, the True Rest adapts to your body shape, helping reduce pressure on your back, neck, and joints. This makes it perfect for people who want to wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Some versions even let you adjust the firmness or temperature, so you can create the most comfortable sleep experience for yourself. Lightweight and easy to carry, it can be set up or packed away in minutes, making it ideal for both everyday use and travel. The True Rest is designed with your comfort in mind, combining modern technology and ergonomic design to improve sleep quality. It's also perfect for anyone who struggles with back pain or simply wants a more restful and relaxing night. Monocab Owl. The Monocab OL is a futuristic, one-person electric vehicle designed to make city travel easy, fast, and eco-friendly. Unlike regular cars, it's small and compact, which means it can navigate through crowded streets, tight corners, and busy areas without any hassle. Being fully electric, it produces zero emissions, helping reduce pollution while offering a quiet and smooth ride. The Owl is built for comfort and convenience, with a cozy cabin that makes short commutes or daily travel relaxing and enjoyable. It's equipped with smart technology like automated controls, sensors, and safety features, making it easy to use even for first-time riders. The aerodynamic design helps it move efficiently while saving energy, so you get more range on a single charge. This vehicle is perfect for individuals who want a personal, sustainable, and futuristic way to get around the city. PowerFilm Lightsaver. The PowerFilm Lightsaver is a small, portable, and eco-friendly solar-powered light that makes outdoor adventures and emergencies much easier. It charges using sunlight, so you don't need batteries or electricity, making it perfect for camping, hiking, or off-grid trips. Despite its compact size, it provides bright, reliable light wherever you need it. The light is lightweight, durable, and weather-resistant, so it can handle rain, wind, or rough outdoor conditions without any problems. You can easily carry it in your backpack, hang it in a tent, or place it anywhere to brighten up your surroundings. The lightsaver is simple to use. Just leave it in the sun to charge, and it's ready to shine whenever you need it. Some versions even have multiple lighting modes, letting you adjust the brightness or use a flashing emergency signal. Rockwork X Hitch Step Multi-Tool. The Rockwork X Hitch Step Multi-Tool is a super helpful gadget for anyone who loves traveling, camping, or working outdoors. It attaches easily to the back hitch of your vehicle and instantly becomes a strong, stable step that helps you reach the roof to load luggage, tie down gear, or clean your rooftop accessories. What makes it even better is that it's not just a step, it also works as a multi-tool packed with useful features. Is that right? It includes a tow point for pulling heavy loads, a glass breaker for emergencies, a scraper, and other handy tools that make outdoor tasks much easier. Built from durable, high-strength metal, it's designed to handle heavy weight and tough use without bending. The anti-slip surface keeps your feet steady, even in rain or mud, so you can work safely. Installing it is simple. Just slide it into the hitch and lock it in place. Scout e-bike camper. The Scout e-bike camper is an exciting and versatile electric bike made for outdoor lovers and adventure seekers. It combines the ease of an e-bike with the comfort of a mini camper, giving you the freedom to explore both city streets and off-road trails without worrying about where to sleep. The bike is built with a strong frame and powerful motor, letting you travel long distances quickly while carrying all your camping gear. Its compact design includes a small foldable tent or sleeping area, so you can rest comfortably wherever you stop. The long-lasting rechargeable battery ensures hours of riding without interruption, while built-in storage compartments keep your essentials like food, tools, or personal items organized and easy to access. The Scout e-bike camper is designed for smooth handling, adjustable seating, and a quiet, eco-friendly electric system, making it perfect for solo trips, weekend adventures, or exploring remote areas without a car. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just discovering new places, this bike makes every journey simpler, safer, and more enjoyable. It's a smart blend of mobility, convenience, and comfort, letting you experience the outdoors freely and fully equipped for any adventure. With the Scout e-bike camper, adventure is always just a ride away. Solar-powered plane. The solar-powered plane is a groundbreaking aircraft that flies entirely using energy from the sun, offering a clean and eco-friendly way to travel. Unlike regular planes that need fuel, this plane has solar panels on its wings and body that capture sunlight and turn it into electricity to power its engines. This makes it quiet, efficient, and completely free from emissions, helping reduce air pollution and protect the environment. Its lightweight design and smart aerodynamics allow it to glide smoothly and use energy in the most efficient way possible. The plane can stay in the air for long periods, especially on sunny days, making it perfect for research, environmental monitoring, or long-distance experimental flights. It also demonstrates the amazing potential of renewable energy in aviation, showing how flying can be both sustainable and high-tech. Vista Portable Hammock. The Vista Portable Hammock is a lightweight and easy-to-carry hammock that makes relaxing outdoors simple and enjoyable. Perfect for camping, hiking, beach trips, or even your backyard, it gives you a comfortable spot to rest anywhere. Made from strong and breathable materials, it safely supports your weight while keeping you cool and comfortable, whether you're napping, reading, or just enjoying nature. The hammock comes with durable straps that attach easily to trees, poles, or other supports. And setup takes just seconds, so you can start relaxing right away without any hassle. When you're finished, it folds neatly into a small, portable bag that fits in your backpack, making it easy to carry wherever you go. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for adventurers, travelers, or anyone who wants a convenient way to rest outdoors. The Vista Portable Hammock combines comfort, durability, and portability, giving you a cozy spot to unwind anytime and anywhere. Whether you're exploring the outdoors, spending a day at the beach, or just relaxing in your backyard, this hammock makes leisure time more comfortable and enjoyable. It's a practical and stylish way to enjoy outdoor relaxation on the go.